Hi, I'm Philip Kachalia. I have my own firm called TNK Legal based in Mumbai. I have my own law firm which is into civil litigation, and we do a lot of commercial work as well, like contract drafting, intellectual property registrations, and more in the real estate sphere. So I was primarily only doing trademark registrations and filing reply to objections, but there were a lot of oppositions which were coming in, as well as affidavits for evidence which were supposed to be filed, and as well as I wanted to expand my intellectual property practice as a whole. So that's why I came across this course online, and I thought of taking it up and expanding my what do you call legal field in the intellectual property sphere. I went through the whole curriculum, and currently I have almost completed everything there is on the course. So I have gone through the course curriculum thoroughly, and there are a lot of new things which I wasn't aware of in the trademark sphere, which I learned. So I'll start with the basics. So the basics of trademarks are a public search, registration, the process of registration, filing of reply to an examination report, the supporting documents, the user affidavit, notice of opposition, counter statement, affidavits under 45, 46. At the same time, I learned a few new things about the trademark sphere are metadatas. How do you do domain name search? How do you handle domain names? And the whole process in that sphere where it comes to dealing with domain name registrations, domain name objections, as well as if someone is holding on your domain name, how do you take action against them, and analyzing how metadata is used in the trademark sphere. That was very helpful in the whole course for me. I have primarily been conversing with Niharika. So currently, I was stuck at one point of assignment in trademarks in my own personal practice, where I wanted to understand the difference between a license, a registered license user, and an assignment. So that was clearly dealt with by Niharika, and she has also told me that she'll help me with a few drafts in this region, which will help me in understanding the whole concept a little better. So one example which I have used right now is the affidavit which I had to file in one of the matters. So I took the learning which I learned from this course, and I applied it in my affidavit, which I had to file affidavit of evidence in my trademark application. And yeah, that's how I've used it currently. But I'm planning to expand into the whole sphere of domain names, metadata, all of that. Yes. I think every student who is currently planning to enter into the intellectual property space, I think trademark is the most fruitful and the least barrier entry point for any new person who wants to enter into the intellectual property space. So this course will give you a stepping stone ahead in this industry, and it's one of the easiest places to be in. Plus, at the same time, it is a very voluminous game. So students should definitely consider this as an option in the whole legal atmosphere. So LawSeco as a platform is an amazing platform. I have been following their webinars on different what do you call subjects as well, and the faculty that is coming in, especially Abhyudaya and the other people who are joining in and sharing their insights of the different parts of the law industry is amazing. And I have been following up due to the coronavirus. I've been following all the webinars religiously, and I have learned a lot of things. And I think it's a perfect utilization of your time, and I am enjoying it thoroughly. And I think it's a great platform for even legal professionals, even chartered accountants, company secretaries, students to what do you call, enter into these webinars and take a lot of learning. Any learning is good learning when you come to such webinars, and I genuinely have taken away so many things. It is a great platform. I'll be a, what do you call, I'll give feedback whenever possible, positive only, about Lost Eco, and I will be willing to share my experiences whenever required.